Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq and SPX price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is the intraday for the stocks here to see what is going on. So basically today in the live stream, finally we got an answer, guys. So as I told you, I was of course still neutral here since we took the 1.27. And as a potential wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, which I don't like it really because of course it doesn't look like a confident impulse here, especially with this very small wave 5 barely taking the high here. So I believe that this is of course an ABC finished over there, and definitely we're moving impulsively continuation toward the downside as expected, basically as a main scenario, and this is exactly what we got. Currently we have hit the blue box inside the 0.5 and the 0.618 here for a wave 2 or a wave B, and that means that we are looking for lower prices right now that it might unfold. Of course, after we said, of course, if the price moves down here and takes this low, it is a confirmation for lower. And here we go, we move down, of course, where we see a potential ABC right now unfolding as an ABC. This is a minimum target. And of course, we might see as well a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, what is the probability of a 1, 2 here? Well, it's very low. It's not zero, but I would say it's a very low probability. However, if we want to test it, that we can do definitely. We have to be always be careful and of course be patient and see of course each level by level. So if we're gonna test of course this potential wave 2 in this blue box as a potential wave 1, 2 here, which I doubt it, guys. Higher possibility is for lower here rather than being in an impulse toward the upside, meaning whether we are in a wave B or a wave C. Of course, breaking the 886, that would be more confirmation that we're gonna take the low, we're gonna move toward the downside to the next target, which is of course the potential 1-to-1 fib level as a zigzag in a wave C here. This wave C, of course, might hit this box of, or let's say with a 0.618 uncommon target. So might be, of course, but much more common, of course, the 1-to-1 fib level here for a wave C. In case we are in a wave 3, well, you're gonna reach as well the 1.618 here, which is a lower 21k 659 in a 3, 4, and a 5. And this, of course, might be the continuation of the corrective wave 2 that we were talking about, of course, on the daily here, where we might see, of course, a wave 2 for this correction after a wave 1 finished there. We are looking for ABC for a wave 2, 20k 500, and it might be, of course, your 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. We are expecting in September, of course, to move toward the upside again after, of course, a rate cut here that it might be, of course, as promised, potentially from the Fed. If this happens, of course, we might see something moving for a very massive toward the upside. Currently, I'm still, of course, expecting for lower, guys. I'm minimum ABC zigzag. Now, if you want to test this as a 1-2, well, we're gonna do this, of course, gladly. And we're gonna see, of course, if the price is gonna show some weakness over there once we get to this blue box and start to show something toward the upside. What does it mean? If we see 5 ways up, 3 ways down on the lower time frame and breaking the high, okay, we might start to doubt it, to retest this area, guys. This is what we do all the time. Now, let's move for the SPX 500. So the same for SPX, it's showing also the same thing, nothing important as impulsive. This for me looks much more likely as, of course, ABC, and we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toward the downside. Probably here you are looking for the next target, 1-to-1 fib level. Might be, of course, in the next blue box, 6,130 for a wave C. It might be as well a 1.618 here for the wave 3, which is this one, 1.618. Okay, I don't have it. Let me check again. Oh, it's already there. It's already there, so guys. So 3, 4, and a 5. 5,900, I would say 6,000, so very likely. And as you can see, this might bring us directly in the blue box that we are looking for here for SPX, which it might be your wave 4 after 1, 2, 3, wave 4, wave 5. So very likely, of course, to have it as an impulse, of course, wave 3. Now, as a zigzag, it might range, of course, as three waves up again, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I believe this might happen. Okay, this is higher possibility to happen as a zigzag, and of course, range and taking more time, for this correction. So these are the possibilities. Now, basically, if we want to test as well, if we want to test here a wave 2 also, we don't want to forget this, of course. Wave 2 might reach potentially between this green box, right? Because we are impulsive here, it has to be, of course, a zigzag at least. And we're going to see, of course, what's going to happen if we get 5 ways up, 3 down, continuation, again, breaking the high, of course, confirmation of a bullish scenario. The 886 might be your higher confirmation that you're going to take the low, moving, of course, to the next blue box, breaking the 121 Fib level, directly moving to the 1.618. Yep, that was it for Nasdaq, the intraday, and for SPX as well, 500. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.